Thiamethoxam Residue Rapid Test Kit for tea. Test preparation. Test preparation. Take 2 grams shredded sample into the 50 ml centrifuge tube. Input 16 ml YRSP general sample extracting solution, shake and mix well completely for 3 minutes and then soak for 2 minutes. Test procedure. Take required number of microwells from test tube. Pipette 200 microliter of the detection solution into the red microwell. Mix well by pipetting up and down 5 to 10 times. Incubate 3 minutes at 20 to 40 Celsius. Take out the test strip from the test tube and insert into the microwell. Incubate another 6 minutes at 20 to 40 Celsius. Take out the test strip from the microwell, remove the sample pad at the lower end. Result interpretation. Read by reader. Place the test strip into the strip slot totally, and push the strip slot to the bottom. Open the BioEasy Pocket Reader application program. Click the cross-pattern test, connect the Bluetooth. Select pesticide residues and the test item. Click Test to start. The result will show on the screen. Result interpretation. Read by eyes. Check whether the top control line is present. If there is no visible C line, the test is judged as invalid. If there is normal C line, compare the color intensity of test line and C line. If test line is darker than or equal to the control line, then the sample is considered to be negative, which means the sample contains no thiamethoxam or contains thiamethoxam at lower than the detection limits. If test line is lighter than the control line or no test line, then the sample is considered to be positive, which means the sample contains thiamethoxam equal to or above the detection limits. Your food safety concern, our dedication.